battery, him brain box. Give me your sister, brain box, no, him brain box. Where they do battery, and a brain box. People make you walk, second. Hakuna kukumba kunono yefera zono puri kenkani sanye penanya kora nyanyi foreign gosse kwara ya ada postman kuwe better yeni kuwe better abugo doso kuno mwanyi zimuone kono sami ageni do yemma kuchukunya kamu manya kazi mwanya Afrika kaichi difunanya chukuli sama kwe kaiwa daine kegide kere monde son hangwa dimi na rokuta technology pachuchobiani leze nikwe hangwa na arua leze ya agwara anyị sanya sanaro na mmiri yete ha na-ete na mmiri na sahara na tukudi ọcha na ekwentị chuchi ya na ndị isi ojii ka ekwentị onye ọcha nye brain box ma onye nụ battery nye brain box demi ya ọsịsọ brain box ma onye ya nye brain box akwụkwọ edere ede egwuregwu battery ya na brain box nyere m iwu na-emebi iwu ọkụ ka afọ ndị second hakuna kukumba kunono yefera zono puri kenkani sanye penanya kora nyanyi foreign gosse kwara ya ada postman kuwe better yeni kuwe better abugo doso kuno mwanyi zimuone kono sami ageni do yemma kuchukunya kamu manya kazi mwanya Afrika kaichi difunanya chukuli sama kwe kaiwa daine kegide kere monde son hangwa dimi na rokuta technology pachuchobiani leze nikwe hangwa na arua leze ya agwara anyị sanya sanaro na mmiri yete ha na-ete na mmiri na sahara na tukudi ọcha na ekwentị chuchi ya na ndị isi ojii ka ekwentị onye ọcha nye brain box ma onye nụ battery nye brain box demi ya ọsịsọ brain box ma onye ya nye brain box akwụkwọ edere ede egwuregwu battery ya na brain box nyere m iwu na-emebi iwu ọkụ ka afọ ndị second.
Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, and make sure you like this video as you join us. If you're gonna watch later, do the same thing, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Dim Ozemena, I see you Dim, nice to have you. So this hour we are going to touch few things, okay, that concerns us as always. And remember, we are here to do the needful, not to cause any problem or commit any crime. We don't support any crime, actually. We are here to condemn it, to do our best to expose lies and falsehood, to help you to understand those who actually want your progress and your freedom, and those who want to benefit from your pain, to use your pain to weapons swag. I would like to start with the video I posted earlier. I made it clear that I'm going to pay more attention to that comment. And some of you have dropped comment on that video on our main platform. So I will go through those messages before I bring the message I have at this hour. Okay. And okay, some of us don't understand that whenever you hear me talk about Ogenkere and their group, I don't mean to fight with them or to be an obstacle, but if you know this, if you know anyway, because sometimes when these people do what they're doing and lie to you, you don't understand. You may not understand it very, very well. Sometimes you actually believe they are helping you. Please, if you have not liked this video, please like the video, okay? I can see that only 5 people have clicked on the like button, and we are 4 minutes, almost 5 minutes in the broadcast. So please do the needful. Click on the like button. That is the best way to support us. If you have watched that video, there's a part when I want to talk about why it's social in France. Then the video ended. I had a very serious interruption. It happened that my phone memory was not enough. So he called that video suddenly. But I'm going to bring that part here on this live stream. Okay? I'm going to bring it for you to see what I wanted to say about that about why he's such in France. Remember, the topic was exposing the lies of these people. Okay? And like I said, I don't gain anything exposing it, but for your own good. For your own good, so that you are not going to be carried away and you feel that, oh, I know what I'm doing, the blah blah blah. No, pay close attention to understand what they intend to do. I see Priscillian Annie is here. My sister, I like that your name, and you I like that name. It reminds me of something. But Dim, okay, I have seen, Isaac. Isaac, I say thank you, Kai TV, and Innocent to Yem. Oye, Menam. Good morning, Mazi. Good morning to you, Innocent. So, if you have not watched the video on our main platform, please do the needful and watch it. Okay, so that you will connect with what I'm about to say here. Then after that, we pay very close attention to some of the comments that Oginkere group they don't disappoint. They don't disappoint. I have a YE searcher in France. That her own part is what I couldn't bring in that video. He just cut off. King of Homonican is here. He said, good morning, my brother. Good morning to you. When I'm human. So hear this. Pay attention to this. Let me. Okay. This is the video you are about to watch now. Is YE searcher in France. Okay, like I told you, I wanted to discuss about her in that video before the memory of my phone refused that I shouldn't continue. If you watch that video, it just stopped, by sudden. And are you from Enugu State? Because your accent look like one. Okay, I don't know how to answer that question. Okay, my accent. Some people actually mistake me. Some people say that I sound like a boy person. Some say that I sound like a Delta. Some say that I sound like a Anambra. Why are you guys so eager to know where I come from? Why are you so eager to know where I come from? Just take the message. If you want to know where I come from, Priscilla and Annie, contact me on my WhatsApp. Then we'll talk about it. Okay. Then okay, let me continue with that one there. Why is Socha in France? Okay, why is Socha in France actually believe that that she's there? You know, I told us that nothing goes for nothing. Nothing goes for nothing. That's the reason why she is doing what she's doing. I watched a video of Humble Lions, made mention of what he felt about why he's in France by what she's doing, because it is not ordinary. There's no way it can be ordinary, because she said it. She's saying what she's saying with kind of. She put her mind and her energy to make you somehow believe that she's saying the truth. But she will never ever let you know her motive and the reason why she's doing what she's doing. And that reason is why we're here. I will tell you why she chose to do what she's doing. Before I said that, listen to this, then I will tell you why she chose to do what she's doing. Just pay attention to this video. Listen to this, then I will tell you why she chose to do what she's doing. I want to because I can see that my voice is coming out, from this device. Okay, let me take it back again so that you know I don't want any interruption. Now here. Mm-hmm. Listen.
Protest. Ojuju categories ijaza na group na government group kutoku protest kutoku Simon they kick you out and you go on they kick you out before you go Simon they kick you go down in the food why all no with it you go all no with it yeah if you ever not to us are you not ashamed of yourself? Or going in on Twitter. I'm not quite.
Now, that is short video that Ogekere Camps are using now to catch crews. This thing that she said here is a lie from pit of hell. You don't need to be in the cabinet to identify this. You don't need to be in a cabinet to identify that what she just said now is a lie. Are you getting my point? That we mean once you want to say, you want to talk about, hey, PM, they kick you out. You have to call Aggie. I mean, it's not possible, right? She's saying that as if she knows what she's like. What she's saying is true, but it's a lie from pit of hell. The reason why she's doing what she's doing now is because from the intel, she told COS and USB government that she wants to be in charge of buying catapult and gravel for men on ground. Like she wants to be, what is her position? I don't know if she want to push. Not she don't say she wants Solomon to go, but she want to, even though you have the defense secretary there and deputy defense secretary there, she want to be in charge of their money, buying something, going to market, that kind of thing. Be their spokesperson between men on ground and government. That's what I was told. When I hear this, when somebody briefed me on this thing, I was like, no wonder. And to cement it, that is why she keep on contacting men on ground. Every now and then, she's busy contacting men on ground. And I asked her a question. If PM happen to be here, will she be contacting men on ground and remain in the movement? Go and check what the problem between PM and Ifyo people. Problem between PM and Madam Azoka. Go and check with many other people, even Livingstone. These are people who want to be in charge, want to get closer to men on ground and all that. Our people like force, you want to be a friend of force people without you checking your merit if you actually want to, if you merit it or not. And Armstrong is here. He said, hello, Kai. Hello, my brother. Nice to have you. If Adado Rama and the Remedios are worried about the buying of Biafran land, let two of them go and fight and save the Umo Ndibo. Ndiara. No, they're not going to do that. And if you have watched the video that I published earlier on my, before now on my platform, you must have watched the part where Remedios said what he said. He said that the first recruitment, I don't know about it. He said he normally said that he don't know anything, he don't know, but in that video he confirmed that he's insider. I'm just saying, which of them are you going to take? This woman can go at extra mile to pollute everything, thinking that she's hurting COS. But people are very funny. Good morning. How are you doing? I will continue to thank you for good work you are doing. Please continue. God will continue to bless you. That is from Argo Prince. Thank you so much for your comment. That's nice of you. Please, if you have not liked the video, try your best and like it. Give it a thumbs up. So let us go to the comment. Then I will now play the audio that I actually want to play here so that you will get the point very well, because I'm not the only one. Everybody is have something to say about Adadarama and her activities at this point in time. And please, like I said, share this broadcast if you can. There's one guy here on my platform. I don't want to explain. I don't want to say. I don't want to say something that I don't want you to know the person I'm talking about. But many of you, if you are watching, even other people's broadcast, you must have known this person. He is the one cutting. Each time I talk about Adadarama, he is the one responsible of cutting video and send it to Remages, sometimes Adadarama. Some of you actually believe that what I'm saying here, I'm saying it so that you will not hear it or what? No. This is someone I have talked to. Like, we have been on phone call. I have talked about Dorama, and she know I am someone that love to respect everybody. Everybody, irrespective of your age. I don't care. I will give you respect. But when you begin to use that, and maybe you actually, if you believe that I am doing what I'm, or maybe I am giving that respect because I am scared of you, then you are wrong. Then you are wrong. Bro, I have one question to you. What COS done since PM was arrested? Okay, that's a very good question, and I love the way you ask that question, and you say, bro, that is a MNEK someone. I know there's a one MNEK here on my platform. When the whole thing started, he decided to decamp. I hope you are not the one that changed your name for me to answer your question. Whether you are the one or not, I am going to pin my number here. Okay? Then use your voice and ask that question. I want like it. I really hide down a comment section. You know, what CS have done. And like you said, what COS done since PM was arrested. Then if I ask you now, because it is obvious that you are from Ogenkere camp, if I ask you now, what has Ogenkere do? Like what has he done? What has he done since the arrest of PM? Like just the same question. If I reverse it for you to tell me, you start telling me that he's trying to, he's the one working for recognition. And in that recognition, we can only see him having some dinner, some lunch, because the guy loves lunch so much. That's the only thing you will tell me, that he's having handshake somewhere in US. Then okay, what is the outcome of that handshake? Nothing. I'm not from anybody's side. You are. Don't tell me you're not from anybody. Anybody that tells you, unless if you're not a Biafra, maybe if you're a Duduwa person, then I can understand. But as long as you are in Biafra movement, or maybe even if you're not a Biafran, but you are listening to what is going on. I have a brother, Ududua brother, in UK, very intelligent. He called on our program last time, and I'm going to try. I will try my best to see if I can reach out to him, not on live broadcast too. If you listen to what he said, then you will know that some of you following Ogenkere, you need the brain surgery. Like you need the emergency one. You need to help yourself out, because everything that you guys are saying, this our brother is not. Remember, he's not the Igbo person, Oduduwa person. Even what he said about Adadarama, if you hear that, you will be shocked. But let me leave it for another day. Then if you say Igbo, now Igbo, now claim Igbo, everything. Okuzo Kupagwa, in again. The same negative syndrome that holding everybody in Nigeria is affecting most of you. And what is that? When your brother, your relatives, or your friends is in power, and the person is committing crime, that crime doesn't mean anything. You keep quiet. After his tenure, another person take over and start doing the same that your brother was doing. You start jumping up and down and start shouting, "No, corruption, corruption, corruption." But your brother was doing that, and to you felt that it was okay. Everything, don't worry, just leave it that way. Everything is okay, because your brother is the one doing it. But when another person take over, you begin to complain. You begin to complain and start crying. That is what you guys are doing now. Even in the movement that Biafran movement that have not even received full independence. Like you have not gotten the proper independence. I know you will be here, my brother. I know. I said it. My mind told me that you will be here. You will join me in this live broadcast. Please tell me when you want us to do it today, okay? It's okay now, official or some official, one of us. Please tell me when you are going to be free. Then I want to have a live broadcast with you today. So because I'm somehow free, to be honest, we need to do it today. But don't give me, wrong time or. Firstborn is here. Good morning to you, my brother. So and our sister Happy May is here. Oyezoku. Oge followers are Obidient APC. One more. My sister, you know them. Sometimes it's good to hear from them. So where is that guy that asked that question? Don't go anywhere because I'm gonna post my number here. That is the person is what is it? What's your name? MNK, yeah. He's MNK Samuel. MNK Samuel, just be around. I'm getting the number for you now. Let me just post it so that you can call in and ask that your question. Today, my number is available, so I have the number with me. Just when you call, make it snappy so that any other person that wants to chip in something will do. And that will not prevent me from saying what I want to say, what brought me here. I will say it, of course. But the fact is that I want you, Ogenkere Camp, if you want to ask maybe how they pay me money, you want to take Biafran, how I receive money, please call in and expose me how I receive money and make sure that you are truthful in what you are saying. Because Chamaka and my own is rotten egg because I find that rotten egg is working, not fresh egg. I'm not going to use organic egg, agric egg, rotten one. I can use keep as well. So if you are saying anything, please make sure that what you are saying is true. Don't say because others are saying. Okay? So and may God help all of us, all of you. You Kai, you are worse than Sabo. I swear down. How quite fortunate, but you are worst. Okay, Ranky, he said I am Sabo. Imam could say how to put worst. You are worse than Sabo. That's what you want to say, right? Can you hear Bob of man? Can you call on phone and tell me that I'm Sabo? So that everyone will hear your voice. I am Sabo. You don't even know the meaning. Okay, let me not waste my energy on that because I wanted to say that you don't know the meaning of Sabo. If you don't know the meaning of worst, how to write worst, or Sabo can get those if only cable. Or Sabo can get those, my brother. Just tell me, call on, come here, just put a call. Tell me that why I am Sabo, why I'm worse than Sabo. Because you said what you put here is worst. Worse than Sabo. It's the Polyphone Days of Freedom. I'm not able to go to keep Baza. Keep Baza. I'm not able to go to Tununja. Or maybe gate, lose room in the chain. Because it was not like it before. But the class of eating on a ketana now actually make sense in social media basis. You just want to insult me, but how to put it is a problem. Now, the Wolibo language, that one number Sabo. The number here, I pinned the number for you. Imam try now. I'm an old man. I can shake working 95 years. You get cook when you okay. Every man need to look na comment section. Anyway, let me go to some of you said that I'm not a partisan matter, but I'm not matter. But these people are so irritating. I don't know about you because in a day I can read so many comments from them. You know what? In a day, and somehow that is changing my attitude, to be honest. Especially when I see some of them, even if you calm down trying to explain it to them, trying to tell them, look, this is the right thing to do, see your reason. This is what you think that is best way to do it, see your reasons. There will be head bent in committing nonsense, saying no manner of nonsense. He said, okay, I am coming. I say call, not coming. You are not coming. Go. I say call, so you are coming. You are coming to where? What direction are you going to take to come? Anyway, let us continue. Then they matter say. So I have something to share with us. Before you call, go and check the meaning of Sabo in your dictionary, because I may throw that question to you. Can you go to Expo number 1? Go and check the meaning of Sabo before you come here. Then you now tell Biafrans what I have done that made me a Sabo, based on your definition of Sabo. Yeah. Go and check the meaning of Sabo. I'm a company man. You know that you may not call. You may not call. I will not even insult you. Just from what you are saying, me pin it down. In a call. Me pelunu cage. Able no jahad is before. It is good to air your opinion, but don't comment on something that you don't know anything about. Like, there are some things there's some questions that people may ask. I will tell you that it's not I don't know about it. Go and ask people that are inside. Cabinet members are in better position to answer that. But I may tell you what I feel, and I will let you know this is what I feel. I'm not gonna tell you that I have the intel that I have. No, if I have intel, I will tell you that look, somebody told me this. Do you understand? I will tell you. I will make it known to you. Now, somebody made a comment on the video that I posted before. This is one of the comments that actually made me to stream now. It's just a very simple question, a very simple comment. But the way that comment sound to me is laughable. Somebody said, Kai, how can, because this comment is going to, in that video, there's a part I talk about, hello?
Hello, my brother.
I the mama get him.
Na one apụtara ụjọdị.
Ọgụ abụ emene Samuel.
I decrease. Look at it, the body, look at it, the body, but guess what?
My brother, you were going to go. I do my joke, Andrew. I'm enough, madam, I follow you. And I want that. So you were going to go. Okay, Miss Sammy. Okay, my brother. Continue.
That boy, I'm going to go.
My goodness, number. Oh my goodness. Nam the worse than Sabo. So, and if a member do the worse than Sabo, or even Sabo, or choose everybody can at least can number Sabo. At least that is the best way to do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyway, continue, my brother. So why is it why?
The reason why I call is because of I read one of your posts this morning, the post you put out there, and you were complaining about people, how that useless boy, you call Okute Biafra.
Okay.
That Okute Biafra that talked everything Dr. Ngozi said.
Yeah.
The problem we have, sometimes you cannot even imagine what is happening, because a program, everybody watch Dr. Ngozi in that program. And can you tell me that somebody who sit down, the person just sat down and watched the whole program, and all of a sudden, somebody started cutting the whole thing, telling you all these kind of things. And you are in the program, or you watch the program, And somebody now started cutting some certain things in favor of he or herself. Now you that watch the program started believing that thing that useless boy is cutting out. Or you should do okay now. You should do okay, man. You should do okay.
Thank you, Nima.
The same thing there.
Continue. I say thank you. I say thank you for saying that, Nene. You take it off, man.
You know, sometimes if something like that happened, for them to just within their mind, why can't them go back and at least listening to that thing, at least listening it, and they understand whether I would the same thing. In fact, one thing I find out is that anybody who is evil always derive joy in something that is evil.
Thank you.
Happiness but anybody who is good, whenever you witness such a thing, even for you to explain it, but you the only thing I want to say about this kind of things. In terms of all this katakata that is happening in the according to all this katakata, I listened I don't know, that time he came out and tried to explain about the problem Ngozi have with Ogenkere. She started telling us that the problem started when Ogenkere donated 68,000. 68,000, and they wanted and they donated the money through Omaka. They were Omaka Biafra, and that time Prime Minister was with them, and the Prime Minister we are aware of that money you can donated. And that particular and at the same time, Ogenkere want that money back, and the Ngozi Orebeze said that no, they cannot pay that money. Of which this thing happened during Mazi Simon was there with all of them was there, right? So when you think all of this thing, you will understand that the woman came out to after that time, after when PM was with them, then surrogate, all this be my surrogate, all the same thing before they go to confession here. Dr. Ngozi is now the person, not only only to Dr. Ngozi, all through their chat, each and every cabinet member of that year have the same letter. You know, all of them have the same letter. They are complaining about new dimension mandate. This new dimension mandate they are talking about. In fact, I'm trying to go random, right? I'm just trying to go random. When you talk about new dimension mandate, that was one account this government have. What about the 6 accounts that Ogenkere confiscated? None of them have spoken about it. 6 accounts, Ogenkere confiscated all of them. None of them talk about it. All these kind of things, when you started thinking about it, you know that this group of people that are backed one side, all these people are backed on one side, all of their attitude is just propaganda. From their media to all of them are propagandists. And it cannot work. And not just we Biafrans who knows the truth will follow them. And that's when I look at yesterday, you cannot go to yesterday now. So we are moving forward, and that forward we are going to still moving, and nothing will stop us.
Thank you so much. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. I love your submission. Very, very straightforward. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you.
Somebody was calling. I don't know the person, and I'm gonna call back. I will call the person back. My sister, happy man. Don't waste your energy on that guy. Okay. I hope he's one calling. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah. Oh, how many coming in here? Oh, how many coming in here?
Yes.
Okay, Melike, you are welcome. Go straight to the point. Ask your question.
I come from the upper land. I just have a situation for you. Because for me, I know.
Continue. I'm listening to you. Continue.
But my question is this. Stuart told us that he's working with General which is a complete lie. Because the information which I have, even my brother, my cousin, they think he won't to processing the Commander General.
I did not hear you. I did not get your question. What is your question? What is your question?
My question is this: why since Sam Anaba was arrested up to now?
Genti. So Igbo. Can what if you
Please do the time on Earth. Today, nothing is happening in that land. That's one. Two. All the foreigners we organize on it. Men are on ground. None of them is collecting any money. And even that guy, is working with these people, this Panama State. I don't know, number this is
hold on.
Commander Jensen, and even my cousin confirm it. If you like, I will give his number. I will confirm from you. He's on the van.
Now, Igele program serious now. Igele program serious in me because I'm not a public. I'm not a cabinet member of you either. About my insider.
Yes.
Now, mana our program serious put on way me. Serious put away me. We're not what everybody. Even men. Now they send there go. You either.
But I agree, but that is a complete lie because.
Okay, in my friend, in a game,
you can't change. There's nothing like a supporting that professional because even just to space move to on way. I those clip behind it, so that's the complete lie. Because even my cousin, even that I will send my cousin over, he will confirm it. After all those things, I'm here, and then, okay, look at the recruit where they had me last month. How many people survive in that? So up here, I can't say, we even know the group step. In the house, if I know you support that, that's my own. My own is there. Over you can hit the next thing on your men on the front. Because if I can't have that land, they put that now. Additional step, but nobody's talking about that. Because when not Yana clever have a social media banter. And he don't know what you put so matter, even that I didn't know here.
You could have
freedom fighter, I'm not the judge. That is not a freedom fighter.
Correct, off.
So many people now, you know what you did.
As you never.
Okay, thank you. You look at now, if you have POS, also that not the same, we will do so, and I just go up that group, yeah. Almost that group.
Oh, can let me shock you. Imana, if you in a good, you could he just face a so quick face. Can you catch quality on? Personally, more neighbor keta, Ana ma doubt na ewere ga na said oge no they believe me ewere ga send for gender put akwu no ewere ga send e believe me ya na ge kwe monte until more draw somebody see am eziokwu just like give you now the person will say the name of the receipt you get monte now o time like na go now that receipt on my phone upon one upon two up with the date with the most. So na mo apata keta mo ndi after saying delegate go so get does not mean na a well proof. So if you put it like that, I'm just being real to you now. So whoever now going to send the Lego book live from pit of hell, saying na major map the receipt that for 5 na map that and the fact that anyway just forget that just guy will go and gonna we believe that's number 1. Number 2 negate. Number 2, he said that no wolo ife name na Biafra land, no wolo ife name. Oh, I can age timbo and 18 now. Now, everybody no Catalan before. wee na-achụ na-ekwu okwu maka ka ọ ga-esi wee dịrị anyị na mma abịa kpọrọ Simon Ekpa Biafran prime minister. Then some people tikepụta wee kọwazie na ha kacha mara nke a na ha mere nke a na ha mere nke ọzọ na-akọzi ya as if na ha bụ na ha nọ den ha bụ everything ha fọrọ everything. Ịma ndị m na-ekwu maka fa nsogbu dị ha na n'ụwa m na gị ọ bụrụ na-ege ntị ebe ọ bụla na-enwe nsogbu ịchọ idozi nsogbu afọ gaa jụọ ka ike kasị gbasa wee bido. Emechiri convention na Finland onye ọbụla na-ewere awọrị ma ndị gara n'ụwa ma ndị na-agara dị happy ma ndị na-abụ ọdịdị Biafra dị surprise ka ife wee gaa well organized well planned everything okay 2 days so na akpara na social media wee kọwa na ngọzi ọbụla eme nka n'ome nka Chiamaka jere ndị abụọ ndị nọ na Finland so na akpara agara ebido the problem ọ na-aga na-esekuleti oge nke eji maka na-emepụta na wepụtawazi elderly people suppose ịkwụsị na-emezi ngọzi ọra bụ eze bụzi onye megishon edikle Biafra. Ị na-awọta na-agwa gị na ka ị na-ebulemizi oge nkere bịazi na-ege ntị na ka ị na-ebulemizi oge nkere bịazi tinyezi ọgbaghara ya na so na-akpara ọfa ka onye ga-ebulem.
The issue now, for my own side, the two groups can't blame. One, I'm not now. But I get from West US.
Mba, na-ege ntị, hold on. No. Hold on, wait. No, wait. Let me correct one thing. Isi na onye nke akpọrọ WSS. That statement na onye nke akpọrọ WSS na-ege ntị na ka m gwa gị because ị na-ekwu ka m mejuwe mana ụdị mmadụ ịbụ na ọ fisik nọ na-apụta ka m ga-ejiwe mara ebe ịkwụ. For good mepe ọsị na onye nke akpọrọ WSS, that is meaning that you don't even have regard for her.
Because see, let me say something. Yeah, leadership is people to win. Okay.
Is what?
Leadership. If a good leader, we have to hear from them. You know me, leadership of all, you cannot expect.
You want to get on the phone. You want to get on the phone. Yes,
that thing. It's true to that.
You want to get on the phone. You want to go see us on the phone.
I want to business to come because
you can't again.
Even those people are work, feel that they are work. The information no one will accept. Those them not happy because I can both say that now at least I know 4 people who did not ask them. So, but also they made the whole system about
okay.
Yeah.
Now, again, the cancer say God. Hold on.
You know the concept, You know the concept. Me, I don't even look at him. Some of them are not fight for freedom.
Get it, no.
Okay, they're not fighting for popularity.
You get it, yeah. In Kile, who's now about can we in Kile, can we feel that na need the no need the that they make good. The truth.
And then when we think about it, popularity, I'm not fight for freedom. The first thing you go to the men going make the food. Now Scott men on ground. I don't know one. In my family, my brother Genti. In my family, if you look at German continue over that now. In a Genti, near hearsay, Nasir. What on gives Jacka will verify? Number one. Number two, if they attached to. If you know the man of men on ground, simply means no have everything normal. They get on to come down. If you young that touch on what that thing does is what I want.
But if you not call the different from one equal. If you want to cool, in a cook based on now if you are wagging, no matter wagging. Now what I say, no, you have for wagging that thing. He believe with the person. And a man of my friend, I want to oh, your brother may not see. Let me shock you now. No. Let me finish.
I lost my boss.
Name again.
No, this is what I know. What I think. But no, I will not blame you because now, if you open the information about the end, Even the 2% of them, and I copy the whole thing off. You should that now. But that's the matter thing I can now. Even when was to be a problem, now, not inflation. No, all the opponent thinking a year grand everything.
Now, if he lost your brother, can what if you mean by he lost your brother?
Huh? One of my brother, we did for one of
when I'm not going to be people, when I'm making it.
Yeah.
I'm making it.
So that's sabotage him from the camp. We lose like 5 points. So all those things, all those who are never name.
Oh yes, sabotage your brother. Or what other best sabotage your brother?
I don't know the party was sabotage the party. What I know is I don't know. I'm not moving to the book because I cannot tell you that one because I do not know. But then I'm probably that not because of this issue. Oh, I can't cover that. Information everything on a public, which is wrong.
Okay, if I'm a whatever, you make an attempt to again as you as you poor at all. On a men open mic, and people do call her judge. You made it to do attempt to judge. So you may have, but can you give a name that no they take it now each one has to kick out. Where did you get that information from?
I'm not watching on social media now. I find it's like a last Saturday. I'm a woman not judge you said that I started with that because that's like working on like a no matter judge. You want to call one yard.
Ajụjụ na-ajụ bụ ajụjụ mkparị ka ajụjụ ịchọrọ ịjụ ajụjụ ịchọrọ ụta nọkịta na ndakịta jụọ gị sị gị na mkpọ gị na emere ike ịzamụ sị gị biko na awa ajụ chọrọ ịjụ isi m oke ka ajụ bịa 5 sị gị dat na nna gị ọ bụ onye Igbo ajụjụ bụ ya. Okay, njọ gị asị gị emere ike ịzamụ sị gị mma gị ọ na-agba ashawo ọ bụ ajụjụ o mba ọ ajụjụ ka ọ bụ na ịlakịrị ajụjụ ịlakịrị ajụjụ ịlakịrị ajụjụ so were amara ọ ka njọ so mmadụ na-agba ajụjụ mkparị so na mmadụ ka ị ga-ụwa ajụjụ ga-ajụ bụ na ọ mmadụ ka ị na-agwa okwu the person will sense if ịchọrọ ikwu na so ọ ga-adị ka ndị ọzọ tinyere gị ọnụ ka ụmụaka ndị ọzọ sa gị tie gị ọnụ n'ife ikwu ịnụgo the only problem one of the problems that I noticed from this our brother is that he surrounds himself with the hearsay. They say it's good. I'm not saying that, but sometimes learn how to verify information by yourself. Now, matter a kick a person out does not mean they go and do a kick out. And what are the point? Like I'm the man on the mic. I watched that video. I was watching that program that day anyway. The man started by and Adam why trying to make it my brothers and sisters issue in the public. Anybody sensitive will kick you out because you are trying to tell the whole world that you are trying to do ifo one instead of ifo costing a program in them. You understand? And that's not the only thing. His own statement was showing that he's trying to blame US for everything. And some of these people blaming her will still come around and tell you that she's a nobody. That PM never regard her for anything. That she's a nobody. For example, I don't know who comments. She said something. That COS refused that money the lender to them will not be paid, that money should not be paid back. But the same group of people will still tell you that COS is nobody, that she's just a file carrier to PM. Go and bring me water, go and put my briefcase in my car, go and check if Mr. Keiko can afford, do this or do that. Like running around in office, that's her job. But they are now blaming the same person for taking a very vital and serious decision. I'm not an insider, I'm not a cabinet member, and I'm not even intend to be. I'm just trying to tell you that sometimes if you begin to calm down to understand or analyze what they're saying, they always contradict themselves, and that's why I have issue with them. That's all. Nothing more. Let me call this person back. Somebody said, did I express what? My brother can... Okay. Hello?
Hello. Good morning, Sean.
Good morning to you. Nice to have you.
Yeah. Welcome. I greet you, and once again, I will remind you for the person that is calling now. You see, I call you my brother. I want us to talk, okay?
Okay.
Okay. I know I'm the one that writes that comment when you can correct me as education you educated me. I don't go to school, but at least we need to use our education to be wisely.
My brother, English is not our language. Igbo.
No, I be Robo.
Okay, we are from Irobo. Okay, because I see okay. I was thinking that you were Okechukwu. So continue.
Yeah, okay. It's okay. Ogoruba, so okay, it's my name.
Okay.
So you see the reason why I call you Sabo for my own observation. Not because I get one thing with you, because I'm just like observer. You see, before we go into the matter, I want to just educate this panel, now your platform, okay? But when I call you Sabo, now how me are the reason I'm to be? Because I'm just trying to put one or two together, okay? Let's start from this. For you being in your broadcasting, talking about Biafra, I want to know, are you among of the, sorry, it's a question so that I will know the reason why, that is the reason why I'm trying to call you Sabo. Are you the part of the, when you come to this platform, your platform, did you enter this platform with the Biafran spirit struggle, or you were doing something else before in your platform, before you now saw the Biafran struggle? You say, okay, let me dive into this matter. I started doing my things so that I'll get my own view on this. Or you just came into the struggle and say, yes, let me work for this and this, so that you will be inside the government knowing what is happening, so that the things you have been teaching out, maybe you'll be knock hand on your chest that yes, you can call this one and call him and say this is what you know. Okay? Now, you say those that with Ogekere group. So meaning you are in the group of what's it called? Ngozi Rabuezi, right? If you are carrying yourself out of the picture and you are now putting people inside that picture as if you are there, that is why I call you struggle, because to know the things that happen in the struggle. Let's start from the root. You see, all these commanders that I have been watching since when our Prime Minister is on stage, I saw those commanders. Do you know what surprised me? They are still intact with the same people that you call Ogekere group or Ogekere. The thing I always picture, why that Ngozi Rabuezi, since he's in charge, that brought the Biafra, the UBA or USB, because she got it out first. Our Prime Minister said it before, United States of Biafra. Then when this, they never do that, what they call that last, the last program they just did now. After this caterpillar start to come, you see this Biafra government in exile. Let me tell you, my brother, we should understand one thing. the government, even though they want to present anything in the top places, like they want to talk about Biafra now in the table, if for example, the head that we all are waiting for, like maybe for example, Trump now put that matter on the table. I want to ask you, who do you think, or what government do you think that Trump will recognize first? I just want to know anything that from international. Is it automatic government in exile or Biafra government or USB? You see, the foundation of that USB is government in exile, right? That is it. Now, take it straight to that government in exile. That is the top government that Mazin Simon Ekpa is working for to achieve the goal of that USB you are not talking. USB. Yes, it's USB. But let's put that USB for part. It's our name, our heritage, our country name, fine. But the structure that brought that USB, I think is the bridge. Which is that Biafra government in exile, so that the power will work from there and bring that pregnancy, because the Biafra government in exile is the pregnancy of the USB. Do you understand? Now the USB never born. You want to abortion, make you kill the mother of the USB? That's from our own view. Because the USB government in exile, they are pregnant to deliver that USB, which is government in exile is pregnant to deliver that USB. We should not be that first of all, carry that USB. Hey, newborn baby will never know, sir. Who will go abort? Let us deliver it safely. That's why when I call you Sabo, I swear to God, I don't get you for mind saving by any means. I'm just trying to view how deep, because you don't take the two governments, you are just outside view. But you are taking one side to condemn one side, how this thing work. Let's start from that. I say that route from those liberation army, whatever you call them, all the commanders.
Okay, my brother, I don't hear you. What is your question?
Okay, what is my question?
Just ask, because you are missing question with the statement. So just ask the. I don't hear the statement part of it. What is your question then?
My question: who are you working for?
Who am I working for?
Yeah, are you in Biafra? Are you working with Ogekiri, or you are working with Ngozi Rapwezi?
Okay, that's a good question. So you made mention of Sabo. Can you tell us why I am Sabo? Like, what exactly have I done that make you think that I'm worse than Sabo? Because you said worse than Sabo, meaning that Sabo is even better than me. You understand? So
yes, because why I say so. When Sabo is when the person is part of the government, just like the what do you call it? DOS, because that's the government. That's Sabo, right? But you are not in that government. Know what's happening. You are not in the two sides, but you are just particularly in one side saying this is the fact, and this man is going there to handshake. What's the meaning of handshake? Is that not worse than Sabo? Because you are not there. How do you know the handshake?
How do I know the handshake? Okay, you've not seen the having handshake with the white people?
No, because you now went that is all about food. You wanted to shake. So what that shake means? So nothing to you.
Okay.
It's not worse than even the person inside the government can say that. The person that can say that is, let me say, Ngozi Rapwezi.
Okay.
She can say that.
Okay. Let me help you, because I'm trying to be nice to you, so that you are not gonna feel that I'm harsh, because this platform is my platform.
No, go on.
So just have this in mind. You said that you called me Sabo because I said okay, having handshake with people without yielding any result. Then the same you have watched Sonak Barawa and rest of them saying that Ogengere is there doing the needful for USB recognition. Remember, for USB recognition, to recognize for countries like America to recognize USB as a country. Then my question to Ogengere and people like you is Ogengere having handshake with congressmen give you that recognition? If you say that you are talking to them, what is the outcome of the meeting? Can I see where you are having meeting on a video? Then you hold on. USB you are talking about that is Ngozi Abeze. You ask me which of them am I working with? I'm not working with anybody. I'm not working with CS. I'm not working with Ogenkere. What I'm doing is that I'm exposing lies, but I am in support of. That reason is supporting. I'm in support of Ngozi Abeze as the real person, legacy, just because you are not Igbo, as the real person that is doing the needful, what he's supposed to do with the mandate PM gave to her. Now, COS, I hope you know the meaning of COS, right?
No.
Okay, COS is higher than Ogenkere as a finance minister. So COS is chief of the staff. He's the head of all of them. She is the head of all of them. Then she is the one that PM gave the mandate to take the mantle now that he's aware. Those people that
I'm coming. Sorry.
Hold on.
The mantle. It's like if Simon, our leader, know that you're going to be arrested. They say, "Come on."
No.
Behind the scene.
After the arrest, PM sent message.
From who?
From his lawyer.
Name of the lawyer, so that I'll just be following again.
The one that the people call ex-wife of PM.
Which people that
the same
person who would take that message, believe from the message that sent from who? You say who we call ex-wife.
Okay, do you know the lawyer that Ogenkere presented some time ago, saying that the lawyer sent the PM sent message to that white woman?
Yes.
That white woman happened to be the ex-wife of PM. I hope you are aware of that.
Okay.
So at early stage, the same woman had a conversation with the COS, and the message was, make sure that you protect the mandate. You are my surrogate. That surrogate is like somebody that is taken care of, like next in line, representative of PM and all that. Then she is the one that PM gave that mountain. Then she continued with it and she declared Biafra, everything. You can see the way she pilot everything, even that declaration. PM somehow, I don't know, but I feel like maybe he felt that they may not organize it well. He said they should cancel that declaration. She said no, that they can do it, and she delivered. Ogenkere was there, Sona Barawo, all of them, PM did not send them to do that. You get why? Now, your question is that I am not an insider, but I am trying to tell people that COS is the right person and Ogenkere is the wrong person to follow and all that. Therefore, I am worse than Sabo, because to you, I'm supposed to be a cabinet member to see that, to know what is happening before coming out and say, okay, this person is getting it right or wrong. But you forgot to mention that even you that's not an insider, you are not pointing accusing finger on me that I'm not supposed to do this. Are you a cabinet member to know that what I'm saying is wrong or right? Because in your own judgment, you have to be an insider for you to know this thing is wrong and this one is right. Because you are judging me from outside because I'm making comment from outside that I'm supposed to be a cabinet member before I can answer, okay, this thing is the COS is the right person or Ogenkere is the right person. But you see, you can see what is going on with your naked eyes without being a member. Because Biafran government or no Biafran government, the effect is on the people. The effect of the government is on the people.
Okay. What are the effect of the government is for the people, right?
Yes, it's on the people. So, judging by what is going on, you should know who is getting it right and who is getting it wrong. Are you okay?
Okay, see, that is for you, fine, But my brother, what I'm just trying to put here is this. I've been watching you. I've been watching your program. That's why when I said what's that, Sabo? I don't want to mention things because
No. You see, listen.
Okay.
Listen. Hold on. You call me Sabo. I don't take it anywhere. So calling me Sabo is normal. I used to hear that. Sabo.
Okay.
So
see, I
continue.
want to beg you for something. If I call you Sabo, okay, I'm sorry, but I want to tell you something, the truth. I will not say this thing like maybe I just want to pretend it was. Anything you know you are doing, if maybe true you also want to make your daily from the media, okay? It's truth, my brother. Do you know where you're supposed to? Do you know how you're supposed to do this thing? And just because of just as long nobody give you sleep, say take, write this thing, take, talk for me, take, I pay you. You know what you will do? When you watch this side do things, you watch this side do things, the way you will put that thing on your own platform, let people decide. This thing, this is why I'm saying this thing, my brother. Because sometimes, even most of the time, the way sometimes you put the picture of Ogekere, everything upside down, everything. I'm watching, I'm not seeing you. Sometimes the way you put the point of the word, you will just talk and you divide. When I see the inside of you, I say this guy know how to manipulate things in a way whereby he's a wise, you are a very wise cunning man. I'm telling you, for me, you are a very wise cunning man whereby the thing will not be as if you are that person that played the game. But the way you bring some point that's not even supposed to put in that way, you just sit and say, man, this guy, that's why I'm saying, please, try to just be that different person you are. If those people that are causing themselves do one or two, because tell the truth, if supposing, is it a bad thing or a crime for the Ngozi or Abuezi and the Ogekere be in the same place in one meeting? Maybe one will be pushing.
The main problem, listen. The main problem you have is that you don't even know the problem. You are yet to know the problem and you want to solve it, which is impossible. Then I forgot something. You said something before that you asked me a question. If I just, because of based on what you talk, you mentioned daily bread, making daily bread just now. That reminds me of your first question. You said, did I see what is going on and I decided to open a platform to talk about it, or was I doing something before jump? If I say, okay, let me just change what I'm doing with my platform to start talking about Biafra. But you started by telling us that you have watched me, you examined me. So you did not even watch me to know the kind of thing. You don't even check how I started. You just jump in and because you should have gone. You should have scrolled down.
I just want to know what you are doing before you should have because of the Biafra. I don't know. I don't think
you should have scrolled down. You should have scrolled down to my video. You should have go down to my video and see. Then before you say I watch you, I monitor you.
No, because of one way you know sometimes the way you talk, you are not on this side, you're not on the side. You're not in the government before, or you're not Biafra media, whatever before, or maybe you are one of them, like people like go 247, which are 55, like.
So now, hold on. So I have to be.
Your own platform.
Okay. Listen, I have to be a member to know that somebody is lying. I mean, I have to be a member. PM come out.
Okay,
listen, let me land. No. Wait now.
How to put it?
Wait.
After bringing that person video, bring the other video, you just drop your point. My
No. Listen.
What you guys think about this thing? Not even deliberate. Okay, when they go and shake and drink his football. No, you know him as a food eater. All right.
Let me give you.
As a food eater. That is it, because you know him, you flow with him. He always eat your food.
No, I am not.
What I'm trying to say.
That is
the way you put the thing. That's like you. That's what I'm trying to say. Be that innocent of yours, so that the Biafra will judge. Anytime you bring the two people party on table, just put that play. Leave the people to judge.
Okay. Or let me answer you this. I want you to answer this question. I want to answer this question. Ogekere brought PM's wife and told her what to say. She delivered the message and she said that
I'm coming. Listen to your word. Ogekere brought the ex-wife of Manzi, Simon Ekpan, for her to say what she want to say. I be like, okay, the one that brought him. He just went to the lawyer. Hey, madam, you know you're the ex-wife of our prime minister.
The problem with you.
How you put it.
Listen to the question. Listen to my statement first before you know why I put that question the way I put it. Before that woman joined Ogekere in that broadcast, Ogekere told us that he spoke with PM 30 minutes.
Okay.
This listen now. Don't interject. Just calm down. Let me say something. Ogekere told us that he spoke with PM 30 minutes. Underline the word 30 minutes. Then few days later, the woman joined him in a live broadcast to tell their friend that Ogekere is the right person. The woman she's not aware that Ogekere have told their friends that he spoke with PM for 30 minutes. But when the woman was delivering the message, she said that nobody can talk to PM outside Finland. Apart from, even within Finland, it must be his lawyer and his family members. Then I should now flush in my brain to forget what Ogekere told me before, because he want me to be neutral. So I should not even remember that. When the woman said that, make that statement, of course I have my brain, I have my mind, I have my memory with me. I have to reconnect it with what Ogekere told me a few days ago, that he spoke with PM 30 minutes. The woman is here telling me that nobody can talk to PM, let alone 30 minutes. So if I come to my platform and say, okay, look at what Ogekere said, so I should say, my Biafra, so Ogekere said this before, and this woman said this now. Please, I don't know what that means, so tell me what it means. Is that what you want me to do? I should not say that.
Now, now this. I understand you.
Okay.
Right? You can say maybe Ogekere, you not say he lied, right?
Okay,
let me tell you what surprised me, what make this thing talk so. I want to tell you something. You wait. Do you know when that first issue comes out?
Which issue?
I went to this Biafra, I think super media. The guy always put on cap. He would say, I will remember his name. So that guy now said, he took everything, talk. Now said, Ogekere, we don't believe you. He now put to video. He said, do we know the lawyer that we know? And he said, white man, she cannot speak like this. This one is Arab person. After everything, and I set out my mind. I said, this guy, you don't know, say, this woman when they speak this language now, she's talking of English. If this woman they speak your own dialect, it go dey different. So lucky, you now challenge Ogekere. He said, if you want us Biafra to believe you, that you really talk to these people, we want to see her video, we want to see her speaking. How can you just look at it? He now brings some things. He say, see how you demonstrate the word. You just pick a phone.
Don't bring what another person said on that platform to what I said. Answer my question. I asked you a question. The question is 30 minutes. He spoke with 30 minutes here. This woman said that nobody can talk to PM. Just focus on that. Don't tell me what bring the picture. I'm not interested on that. Focus on what I said. Go to the guy platform and question him there.
The video of that part two came down so that we understand if it's true, it is fake or true. Don't worry. See, we are coming somewhere. Not you that brought that broadcast. I'm telling that to that reporter. So
why are you ignoring what I said? And start talking about what other person? You are trying to debate. Focus on what I said. Focus on the 30 minutes.
That's what I'm focused on.
No. You are not focusing.
This 30 minutes you said, when that thing happened, before the lady now comes out, right, and say this and that should fall back to the structure and to maintain the mandate. That was then there was argue of mandate. Is it mandate of bank money, or how to distribute money? So it's like the lawyer trying to tell her that maybe our prime minister said you should just protect that mandate, that bridge. The government in Israel
You are still not saying no. I will cut you off. Listen, I will drop your call.
That 30 minutes you said you spoke with Mazi.
People can lie with everything in them. You want the simple question. I told you I would drop the call because you are not focusing on the conversation. You are trying to move away now to another thing. Okay? Answer the question. 30 minutes. You are telling me that other guy put a picture. I focus on this one. Hello?
Yeah, hello, my brother. Well done.
I greet you, my brother. Thank you.
Yeah, I greet you. This Mazo also. Yeah, please, I thank you so much for. I would not want to thank you for because giving this person chance that who is just saying something that does not make any sense. I don't. He's just even showing you. He's accusing you that you are supporting COS, but he's also telling you now he is supporting okay. So this is the way people can be. He's saying your own platform, accusing you in the same platform. He's there telling you who is supporting. Kai, you are not telling anybody. You only analyzing what is in the social media.
See me problem.
That is what you do. I don't know what they don't do. It was what they put up that you analyze. Even you also analyze COS. You are not taking sides. We have been watching you not today. I wish the guy will be listening in the background. He know nothing about this project. He know nothing about what is done. Did he not remember all that have played out before even goes on the base they made a comment? They messed the whole internet up, everywhere up. They were bombarding everywhere. Ngozi, this time, even up to now, they call her dress as Ngozi or Bufulani. She never come out and call any party name. Never. This is a picture for anybody to see who is on the right path.
Thank you.
He never came out. They call him Eberima. He also accepted he is Eberima. He told them what Eberima means in their place.
Thank you.
A powerful person. They changed Eberima to Eberimarism. He still accepted this an Eberimarism. So they gave him all manner of names. They say it's a short engine. There is nothing they didn't do to Obatobi. But this guy, he never, apart from he had personal issue with the job for them, he never go against anybody. But this guy here, he just wasted our time here because we are many that are listening to you and we enjoy what we do. We don't want the nuisance to come here and constitute. I want to tell you because before I call you, I'm replying to Ross. I have said this, we are not bigots, but you see, Ross said this from Calabar, so that Barawa is from. Let them go and command that region. They should leave. We have died so much, Kai. We have died. Our people have this price. I don't know when we will start paying for price for Biafra. And we are told Ogoja is Biafra, Calabar is Biafra, Enam is Biafra, Ikpaibom is Biafra. Would they not go there and command and get money from this region to support Biafra? Why is it about us? Why is it about Ndigo? Why?
That is
my case here. I'm so angry because when I see other tribes like Urobo, I never see any fundraising. I see somebody tell you that I am from Urobo. I'm giving 100,000 a gemma. We put in 200 a gemma, 200,000. We put in 200,000. We put in 50,000. I never see anybody call you and say I am from this place. I'm giving 200,000 a gemma. But they have a state under Biafra. So what are they doing? Is Biafra only Southeastern region?
My brother, Igebukwa.
I want to raise my case because you see, my problem with everybody is if not Mazen Nandekano, he had been offered to go home with 5 Eastern State. From the beginning, he refused. That evidence is very, very, very clear.
Which to me, I would have preferred that than what you are going through now.
He refused, but these people are not helping us. They allow us to die. It's unfair.
Thank you so much.
Brother.
Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you. God bless you for your submission. I really appreciate you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Let me just say this to this our brother. One thing you need to understand is that anytime you are arguing anything with anybody, I to be honest with you, I'm the only person that will give you this kind of patience. Okay, people will not be patient with what you are saying. If I call them now on their program and start telling them that they are sabo, and say that you are sabo, in fact you are worse than sabo, and later called, they will not be as calm as I am to answer you. and I allow you to say what you are saying, for you to just let everybody know how I am Sabo and I'm even worse than Sabo. What have I done? You are telling me that I should just be neutral. Very good advice. Then I ask you a question. Everything I'm saying is in the public. That does not mean that I don't hear some some people whisper to me that this is what is going on behind the scene. If they whisper to me, I don't want to bring it until the thing lands in the public. Then I will talk about it. Do you understand? I will just talk about it because, for example, the voice of Butuzo and defense secretary. Okay, I got it as early as possible, but I intentionally refused to play it until we go to 4/7 and other people begin to dish it out. Then I release it because I don't want to run faster than my shadow. That's the kind of person that I am. You called her after calling me Sabo. I said, okay, let me hear from you. What makes me Sabo? Then you started running around, giving excuses, telling me that the way I present the word. I said, okay. After I said, what is your question? You said that I should do this and do that. Who am I working for? I told you what I'm doing. I'm not citing anybody. But if you feel that I'm siding CS, good and fine. If you feel that I'm siding with Ogenkere, no problem. But if I see something wrong from CS, I will say it. And I've done that in the past. When she wanted to go to Dr. Damage's program, I came out here and said that it is wrong. Don't do that. When they said that she's posting phone number on social media, I condemn it here. When they said that she's recruiting a Bubago, I condemn it here. So that you are serving this, but I cannot just ignore what Ogenkere and their group are doing, knowing fully well that after my own observation, because you said you have observed me, but that through observation, you couldn't point one or two things that I've done, because your mind and your brain is covered with Ogenkere is the right person that he built he following here. He said something here that they are following the structure of PMA and all that, blah, 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 that BRG is pregnant. But to you, that pregnancy woman have not delivered after declaration. That is to tell you the kind of person you are. I ignore that part because I don't want you to drag. Let us just focus on the simple issue. If I'm to question you based on what you said here, we will start this program. But I ignore that part because that can be a story for another day. Let me know exactly why I am worse than Sabo. Because Sabo, you don't know the meaning of Sabo. I'm not working with anybody that will put the freedom or anything in problem. That's the work of Sabo. You said if I'm looking for daily bread. So since when, if actually I'm looking for daily bread here, since when it become illegal to look for daily bread? That I'm doing broadcast, telling you what I feel, without mandating you to do anything or threatening your life. Have I come out here and said, if you don't support God and the that you will see what I will do to you? That me and my men will look for you. Did I say something like that? I don't threaten anybody. And I don't, but people, your problem is that what I'm saying is true and it's hitting you so hard. You can't handle it. You want me to mellow down, to just forget. No, my brother. I'm not like you. We are not wired the same. Let me return call because somebody called before we move on. Before I move to another issue. If I'm not recognized you here on comment, please don't be offended. Okay. Somebody was calling and calling. Who is that? Who was that person? This person. Let me call you. USB child. Hopefully you will answer call. I hope.
Onye ọcha nye m brain box m onye nọ m battery nye m brain box m nye m ya ọsịsọ brain box m onye ya nye m brain box m ma akwụkwọ ya ọgada afugo kwapụ n'ọnụ efere azụ ụlọ bụrụ ike nke anyị naanị efe na ihe akpọrọ akụ nye anyị fọrọ ngọs ekekwara ya akụ Adam Fosman gbuwe bel gen gbuwe bel gbado obodo ọzọ ruo n'ụọ nwaanyị zi nwa onye ka ọ nọrọ saa amị ya gen o jere obodo onye mma bụ chukwu nya aka amụmụ anya ka azụ ịmụ anya Afrịka ka anyị jiri anya.
Yeah,
Hello, my man. Good morning.
good morning to you.
God bless you, brother.
Bless you too.
I have been listening to you and I have been trying to call, but I'm not selling through.
Yeah, I was taking call from another person.
Of this program today.
Okay.
Hello?
I
Am
was
I coming out loud?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Continue.
Okay. So I'm happy to be a part of this program today.
You're welcome.
See, my brother, I've been hearing all these people. Hello? Hello?
I can hear you. Continue.
Okay. That guy that was talking with you, that was saying those rubbish things here. You see, some of these people, I see them as people, they just come out. They don't know what is going on. Or if they know what is going on, they are just pretending. And they have made up their mind whom they are going to support. So when they come out, they will not try to find out whether those people they are supporting, are they doing the right thing or not? But in their mind, because they have made up their mind to support that person, and they will be supporting that person. It's like me, when I was supporting our they are calling Emmanuel. I was following him. But when I see that this man, he's not saying, he said good thing, he said truth with his mouth this side, and would come again and say another thing this side. I started thinking that this man, he just following people because of maybe he loved that person. And that is why he's just doing what he's doing. Because now he's following Adadi or Ranjom. It's because of the way he loved that woman. That is why he's not seeing any bad thing that woman is doing. You see? Me, I am not that kind of a person. You see?
Yeah.
That is what the problem we are having in this struggle today, especially our people who are not a part of the government, who are just neutral like us. So some of us have made up their mind who they will support. So they don't want to find out the truth about what they are supporting.
Yes.
You see, that's the problem. So all these people that are calling you here now, some of those people that are from that other camp, like that second to that last person that was making argument with you here, it is one of them. It is one of them. So my brother, keep on doing the good work you have been doing.
Thank you so much.
I want to say here is, you see, I want to set this thing category clear for people to know. You see, that man called Remigius, those people, they don't know what they are doing again now. They have missed the track. How can somebody come out and tell you that this person is doing it right and this person is not doing it right? After you go back to those people you say they are not doing it right and start following them again. What kind of a person are you? It's like telling your children, don't lie. Tomorrow, you start telling your children again, lie is good. Lie is good, you can lie. Imagine. And there is one statement you made either 3 weeks or 4 weeks ago about Ajadi Oram. And that thing you said exactly is coming out, is playing out.
What is
you
that?
Remember you said that this woman is like he's planning to have his own group of agitation like that.
Yeah.
You remember?
Yes, I do.
And that very soon that this woman will start raising money. Will start raising money. And this is what she has already started. If you look well now, this is what she's doing already. And you will see that when our PM will come out, if our PM did not buy their idea or condemn them, we see they will be against PM.
My brother, anybody that you see now telling you that they are neutral, that Ogenkere is wrong, CS is wrong, that person is already with Adada Ramma. Adada Rama, Remedios,
Yes.
and Biafra Unite. This is another group that is coming up.
Yes, this.
So, like,
My brother, you get it
Chichi
right.
here.
This is another group.
Yeah, another group.
I feel that three of them are working together.
I'm telling you, Chichi here is one of their member. Go to comment section now. There's a comment here, someone that said that this Chichi.
Yes.
Okay, Kere and Angosara Bese has sold Simon Ekpa and sell the struggle to Igbo positions. None of them is fighting for Biafra. Why none of them is talking about protest for Simon Ekpa? Protest. That is what that drama is using now to cheat them. You understand? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Continue, my brother.
Okay. Oh, one watch something.
Okay, we're welcome. You're welcome, my brother. Okay, give me.
Na achọ meeting na nke Ada dọrọ mma na Remedios.
Okay.
Ịmara kemgbe ọ bidoro n'aka ịmara a na-achọ mis a ga-esi fight this government because ọ gwakwa anyị n'oge mba Ada dọrọ mma na ọ ga-fight this government mgbe anyị wepụta voice note.
Yeah.
So na ọ bụla emerụ nke ukwu na ọ ga-eme this government down. So since then, I can't be to know where this woman one kind eyes. On the process, I guess PM was now follow back. That is where the whole issue starts. Because I'm actually I say no,
Yes.
so unfortunately to them, they find the reason. I understand. That's in a follow back. And on social media, it should stop. And lobbies, we stop attacking the lobbies. But here I have now. They should fall back. Can't help me, brother. That is my question. What I keep asking people. Can't help me, brother.
Oh, well, on the family, my brother.
What don't happen? The men attack. Imagine that's what I'm gonna Biafra Liberation Army terrorist. Imagine. Imagine all Johnny attack guy terrorist. Why now when you zoo? How was I a terrorist? Check in that my brother. So we are the problem of ourselves.
Ourselves, yeah.
Imagine. The thing that will make it and I go unsubscribe, you understand? I didn't make it that rubbish because anything every day I keep listening. The thing keep busting my brain. Because Remedios, imagine no Johnny I'm a person if from Kai post was it yesterday? You're going to na Indian game recruit imagine you mad game upon your is it because of you debate, you don't want to be in the government again, that you start talking about trying all means possible to bring the government down? It's not normal now. It doesn't matter. I'm going to say this here sometimes.
My brother, everybody were right. He me for sure. Man, if in majority queer so.
That's right. Choosing on the government to cascade the government to try all means possible to bring the government down. Which rubbish is that? Who does that?
Thank you, my brother.
This is very annoying, bro.
It's annoying. Upon equal. It's annoying. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, my brother. So that is our brother there. And please, we are gonna end this broadcast now. I'm sorry about it. We will continue again. I will be on one of my brother's platform, Ezokona, Son Official. So I will be in his platform this evening. Hopefully, if I did not make it there, then we are gonna come back again to continue from where we stopped. So please make sure you like this video before you go, and Hello? Good evening.
Good afternoon.
You're welcome. We are about to close, so.
Are you hearing me?
Yeah, I can hear you. 3 minutes. Let's hear from you.
Okay. I will speak in Igbo balance.
Jisike, Ganilo.
Okay. If I remember the bani, there are many people none of this struggle. Onde mmadụ gwara bịa soroli ha na-eme, which is good because mmadụ ga-agwa gị bịa na ihe na-eme ebe a.
Yeah.
Mana mgbe ị rụziri ebe ahụ nke iji bụrụ mmadụ, i werezi anya gị gbaa tọọchị.
Mana nke bụ nke.
Gosi na igbo ezigbo mmadụ dị n'ime ihe a na-eme ebe a na-eweta ihe a si n'ebe eweta. Ọ ga-etinye m na nsogbu echi ka ọ bụ ihe ọma ka ọ bụ ihe ga-emerụ m ka ọ bụ ihe obi m ihe ụdị mmadụ m na-asọ. Pụta bụ na irute ọ bụ na ị bụghị onye nwere such ethics in your life, ihe niile mere ebe anwa dị mma ga-emezi imeta ihe ndị bụ unu ma ihe ala na-asọ nsọ. So I just need that, like that narrative, that story. Iji kọwa ndị na-eso ọsọ nwere onwe.
Exactly.
Because I want the people na-eso na ihe a may understand what struggle means. Then you move away from knowing what struggle is all about to what the chains of command, how an institution supposed to run, how it's supposed to work. All this deliberation about who is the right person and who is the wrong person shouldn't have been our problem.
Yeah.
And I want to reiterate this. You now fall on the spell or on the followership of Ogen Kerry. Now, both of our leaders that are no longer with us today, personally, as in working with us presently, they all made the same statement. Yeah. But interpretation, I'm interpret. Good and fine. Or you carry on with your work. You could not carry on with your work. You see not the order of your counterpart, profess Biafra, but your problem. Recently now, only noble at the government. Apokwa, being a government no do hanya. Na ha na-ejizi onye ama eme ya. Irukwa ba join kwa the chorus ịgbakwa gọọmenti mgba. Ọ bụ madness be that. You got there. You do not focus on what you people are doing. You will not turn back again and say that Ngozi is your problem. Followers of Ngozi is your problem. But you are not making any move.
Stagnant.
You are just stagnant. And stagnancy. When you meet a stagnant water, you will see plenty bacteria there.
Exactly.
At a point, God doesn't matter. So, una domicile go nebuno. Pushing a bunch of nuisance because you have pushing a narrative that is not getting you anywhere, rather than making you people a joke. To speak to our government, also like be already team. No money or can. Could open the hala compliment now. Hala compliment open the DOS that na any Simon was no protect like gada. We way to siphon fecundi.
Oh.
Unemepon unubundi bara play. Non probos no Finland. See like how you no USB charger. You see man de kam sonyeki. Somebody that June Onunu declare ya kedi hunu gane present. If you no gana no na moto you BRG big la fight for a country. Kedi is the meaning. Kedi the simple definition of name on a bridge now fight for country. Kedi in Finland.
Thank you. Simple question.
My brother.
Simple question.
Kedi in Finland, but they will not answer you. So what I will be in my closing remark. Me, I always say, if you know ihe Biafra no ma bụ. Define good ihe Biafra bụ to you. Because mgbe ị na-achọ ka ị define ihe Biafra bụ, ọ ga-ebuga gị ime ije mara ihe mere ndị ahụ lụrụ ọgụ ahụ 1967 jiri lụọ ya. Gịnị kpatara ha ji si na ha bịara isi obodo abụọ? Gị bịabufete ihe ahụ ha jiri declare that country then to this present existence I know. Has anything changed? If you now discover that as it were then is what we are still witnessing. Okay, make it a follower.
The worst.
They push for that country in a flag off. All are busy organic. The ingenuity of it is from you. Okay, make a better stand. Okay, we put that cloak de gelanya, eja ka woge into bunch of idiot. In or ịgba kọcha ha ịghọta oke kedu onye ọ dị ka onye ole eme ihe a lụọ onye dị ona ala eme ihe a ịgaba n'ihu. Ndị ahụ lụrụ ọgụ 1960 ewekwala iwe na time m gafere my brother. Enwe some point into the point. Ọ bụrụ na ndị ahụ soro Ojukwu jiri dig iwe picture Ojukwu mgbe ahụ la command battalion na Kaduna kpọọ ya Nigerian agent, ha ga-akwụ ya n'azụ lụọ ọgụ ahụ. Ihe niile gbara Nigeria mgbada nọkwa Nigeria zụrụ ha. Ihe niile anụ n'obodo oyibo na-ekwu erite ala agbanya mgbala akpọghị sabotu a. Chukene m ha paspọtụ ha ji gafere. Jụọ m akwụkwọ ha gụrụ ebe ha gụrụ akwụkwọ. Were they not once Nigerians? Ọ na ha gbagha mgba ka Nigeria dị mma. Most of them to election. Ọ bụ ụdịrị youth enwere na na-adịsị atụ election. Most of all these charlatans efọrọ bụ ndị tụrụ election mee party, mee campaign. But today, ha na ngozi chụrụ mmụọ atụgharịsị na ngozi isi na isi mmụọ. Adị m enwe doubt ebe ngozi nọ. The only thing m na-ekwudobe bụ na onye ọbụla nwere chi na-eso ya. And that chi ka ndị oyibo kpọrọ our instinct. And any man will bear me witness if you work with your instinct. Because the Bible put a small still voice. Or that they loud. Or they agitate. If you work with it, if you calm down your spirit, analyze between Obenkere and Ngozi Arabeze, you will see that small still voice pointing you to Ngozi. That is Alpha. At the same time, as na power corrupts, and absolute power corrupt absolutely. Your work is to direct Ngozi that don't do it like this, because when you are on that pinnacle of power, you see little, you see far, forgetting there are some people you will step on to get that far. What is the work of those people, your followers? To call you that don't make this step, that you might step it on top of somebody's head. Let us go and tell that person to clear that way. Media, calling the attention of Ngozi, what just chori me, and Ngozi and with attention no call. Oh, she always hit to our advice.
Thank you.
Meaning that power, that character of leadership in Yanima. Onye so boya ya na Tinubu. Ọ bụrụ na Ngozi ka lọbi mu Tinubu ka Tinubu sign akwụkwọ ọ bụ ihe anyị chọrọ. Ọ bụrụ na ọ ga-eje dị na wiki Soludo ka ọ kwụsị bụ ndị bai good and fine. Ha nwale tikpu ha tipe mkpu anyị na-ayọ ha gaba n'ihu. They have all the keys of men on the ground. Where are the men on the ground? When Simon arrest, arrest. Arrest. Why are they not working? Why are they complaining? So,
thank you so much, my brother. You feel happy. So, my people, if I'm not gonna take another call, please bear with me, and we are gonna come back again. Maybe later broadcast, depending on what our brother is talking some official, how we run the program, because we're gonna spend at least 1 hour 30 minutes. Then I will come back here again to continue from where we stopped. Thank you and God bless you. Exodus Biafra, Exodus TV. I see you. One name came mother. One name and happy May all of you, Priscillian Annie, all of you, and Pascal Jeff. Blessing Chuku, Frank, Ibe, Dim, Ozemena. Dim, you are the first that made the comment on this broadcast, and you are still here until this point in time. May God bless you mightily. See you again, my people. God bless you all. Bye bye for now.